Yo, what's up everybody? I hope you liked the opening cinematic S sequence I had there. In this video about the Tokyo Auto Salon, I'll show you where I stayed for the event, a couple of my recommendations, as well as some of the tidbits of information that I learned from going. I'll speak a little to how the Auto Salon is kind of set up and what people mean when they talk about going through the halls. Then I'll do a walk around to show you some of the amazing stuff that people had on display. I'll sprinkle a couple more cinematic sequences in because I really enjoy that. But I'll post some chapters so you can skip ahead as desired. I hope y'all enjoy the video, and please do the like and subscribe thing. It definitely keeps me motivated and going. Cheers. This is where the Tokyo Auto Salon was held, the Makuhari Messe Convention Center in Chiba. I decided to stay at the APA or APA Hotel and Resort in the Tokyo Bay, which I circled in red to show how close we were staying. It was only a 2-minute walk to the venue. I wanted to be close so I didn't have to fight traffic, take trains, or etc. Also, my wife was joining me, so I wanted a room she could head back to if she got tired. I just parked at a hotel, which is highlighted in blue, but it is public parking, so getting there about 3 hours early was pretty necessary. Parking for guests was $10 overnight, and you paid at a kiosk by the reception counter. My room was about 170 USD, it was small but big enough, and the bed was softer than other Japanese hotels I've stayed at. There are a few other hotels around the area, but you'll have to Google that. This hotel was pretty nice and had decent food options. There's a Lawson's Konbini inside the hotel. It's available 24 hours for quick stuff and a couple sit-down places as well. I was able to see the venue from my room shown in the picture to give some perspective on how the venue is set up. So this is an overhead view of the venue, and then next is the TAS guide of vendors and the locations, but let's orient this so it makes sense. So the blue is the E section, which is hall 8 and 7. Then the green is the center section, which is halls 6, 5, and 4. The red is the west section, which is halls 3, 2, and 1. And then next is the event hall in aqua, which had the Tomica diecast cars and some other things. Then the north section with halls 9, 10, and 11. After all this, the white section is the parking lot for the venue, where they also hold outside drifting events, or outside events like drifting. I think parking there costs around 20 USD, and from what I heard wasn't too bad to get into. As you can tell, this place is pretty big, so bring some good shoes and extra money for all the merch. It doesn't look like a wrap or anything. That looks legit. That's nice. I mean, even that look with the carbon actually ties in really well, surprisingly. I thought it wouldn't look well together. Yeah, this crown is awesome. The wheels look awesome. The lighting is awesome. The body kit has got little brackets to make sure it doesn't mess up. This is crazy. It's got infinity mirrors into the side door panel and in that center back console area. Floor mats, everything's custom on this crown. See what the trunk has to offer. Super nice, very clean. So we get to the back, it's a 295, but it's still dumb wide. I expected it to be a 300 series, but of course they wanted to stretch, make sure it fits. It's beautiful. All right, we got Daigo's car right here. A nice pattern up top. Yeah, all the wheels on display. Got the D-Max booth, their S15, couple S15s. Got the BN Sports S2000. And the BN Sports Supra. The nose looks a little weird from that angle, but it looks pretty good when it's all tied in together. I really like this S2K though. It's like perfect. You got this Sense brand D Sports, which is a VIP drift company, I guess. Rocking their Nissan Fuga. That's a M45, M35 for you in the States. It's really nice. Looks like SR7s if I remember right. Gauge cluster right there, pretty crazy. Mirror chrome finish on there. Got Ebisu circuit on it, SSRs, M Sport. I feel like I had to show this Toyota Venza. I didn't know what it was until I had to read the back. But this thing was pretty sick. So why can't we get stuff like this in the States? You know what I mean? Over at the Kamikaze booth, that's the one with the rotating Ferrari. And their booth looks like a high-end jewelry store or something. They got some clean music happening, everybody wearing suits or blazers and stuff. These cars don't seem to be getting enough love. But these things look amazing. They're all carboned out. I bet you that badge lights up. Some pretty nice cars. Always liked Voltex. I think Voltex had some good stuff. It was always just too expensive for me. Yeah, this lip is sick too. I don't know what these are, what they're called, but like they're full off-road type vehicles. It's like they have everything you need in one of these things. Like you can go ahead and get your bed going.
You got a sofa.
There's a couch. It's got like an inch of padding, but you know. That matters to some of us. It's got a sink, little tables.
Van light.
Van light, for real. Over at the Spashan booth right now, in case you didn't know, it's all detailing type materials. They put out some really good stuff. I've used their interior cleaner and some detailer spray, and their stuff works really well. They even have fish over here all stacked up. One of the few S chassis they have out here, like the S15 and an ISO S13 over there also. There's not too many out here, but this one's super clean. Pretty cool. They have their custom-made radiator supports right over there. It's always awesome to see this GT4. It's pretty sick. Over at the Tein booth right now, you got these cool little characters right here. You got the carbon forged, carbon fiber figurines. It's pretty cool. Now we're at the Maxarito booth. I haven't ever seen Arito's booth before, so this is pretty cool going through it for the first time. It's pretty cool little gloves for 7,000 yen. It's like a lucky bag for 3,000, 30,000 yen. Tokyo Automotive University School. They have this crazy truck. So yeah, it's actually a SEMA with a Celsior front and completely custom everything back. It's pretty sick. So if you never heard, this was a Nissan Crew to start out. It's had a lot of work done to the bumper where it's been extended out, the whole custom front across the headlights and stuff. But all of it's been chopped, smooth look, really nice. Interior is completely done, all lowrider style. And of course the whole rear is gone. But yeah, I think these are all students that are doing these. So it's pretty awesome to see this kind of work going on. Hall 11, they have the Tokyo Outdoor show. So it's all outdoor vehicles. I think it's pretty cool that it's all here. MA style. We got to take a look at this exhaust system. It's an H2 Hummer exhaust system. But this thing is ridiculous. This is probably my favorite car at this show. This VeilSide 400Z. The body kit just looks amazing. I really like the rear spoiler and the wheels too. The wheels stand out like a ton. I think the color draws me in also because I'm very partial to orange. Oh, I just noticed, you see the chrome? It looks like a sword, like a samurai sword. That's so cool. I bet you there's more little details like that all over the place. Man, that's awesome. This Mercedes is sick too. They're selling like soda cans over at the Lawson or Family Mart. They got this design on it too. It's pretty sick. Liberty Walk is an awesome showing. The cars are so extravagant. I feel like they draw so much attention. It's pretty cool though. So it's at the mcc-complete booth. They got a beautiful M3 right here. LC500. Clean setup. These wheels are really nice too. These BC forged. It's pretty cool too though. Like even though he's not here, they got a little tribute for him. So you can go ahead and write down whatever you want to write down for him here. Put on by the Toyo Tires booth. I love these tails though. Tail lights are sick. It's like an LED panel. The Subaru booth, you got the WRX STI on the gravel where it was designed for. It's pretty sick, man. And the Super GT car. I love this too. It's like a shelf. Beautiful. Tech Arts Porsche. Tech Arts is probably one of my favorite kits for Porsches. The BMW has a pretty cool display. The Japanese van life is always something to behold. I don't even know what half these cars are, but they're always super cool to look at. It's crazy the attention to detail for some of these. At the Autobacs booth, they got the Atsugi BR86. This thing's awesome with the color of the wheels and the color of the car. It all looks sick. Even the Lambo doors tie in really well with this. We have some more 86s. This Arta 86 over here has almost like a Ferrari-esque look to it. This might be the cleanest kit they have for this car. Arta mechanics. Oh wow. that looks like a Ferrari. So checking out the Sparco booth. Has some pretty cool stuff here for sure. I would love to get, but you know, I ain't made of money, so. But that Martini Sparco Racing, if I had the money, because that thing's like $150. I can't do all that. There's Lando Norris's suit right here. You got gloves, shoes, steering wheel, everything. Even the fire suppression. Like, there's so much stuff. I feel like I'm just glancing over things, but this is R. Rossell. How long you been drifting?
Well, I started pro drifting last year.
Yeah?
That was my first year.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's what's up. Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Oh, sweet, sweet.
But I live here for 17 years.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Nice. So now you got like trilingual?
Yeah.
That's what's up. I'm trying to get bilingual. Working on it. We'll get there. That's what's up, man.
Yeah.
Well, good luck next year, yeah?
You too.
Yeah, thanks, man. Appreciate it. This car is wild. I have to take a look at this a little bit closer. It's like completely airbrushed, and then there's metallic in the paint and everything. Each little piece is custom, designed. It's even cut out with the mesh back there. Rowen custom spoiler. That roof spoiler is ridiculous. Work Emotions, custom painted. Big brake kit. Even this trim is airbrushed. So you probably look at this car for hours and find something new every time you look. This thing is crazy. Like, Kuhl Racing has some beautiful stuff. The paint jobs on all these too, it's like immaculate. Come over this 400Z, the Fair Lady. This thing is gorgeous. I really like the rear. The front just doesn't do it justice, I don't think. I love the taillights. WinmaX booth, his rally car, all gravel tired out with its fake headlights. It's pretty cool how versatile this car is. Cusco, that's an overbite. It's Goodrid 400Z. That thing looks sick. The livery looks really good with the Pandem kit. So I don't know about this little overbite it has right here though. I really like the livery. I just wish it was a different color wheel. This might be the craziest car at the show. It has completely like engraved. So this is at Izawa Art Design, and pretty much everything on this car is engraved or custom somehow. It says it's the painting, not anything others. I don't know what that means, but this thing is, it can't be paint, you know what I mean? Like it's got depth to it. This thing is nuts. Chevrolet Impala. Even the dash is embroidered, or not embroidered, but I don't even know what it is. I have to look this up because this is wild.
The inside is so cool. Could you imagine driving that thing?
It blinds you trying to drive this thing. Like, but even the roof, the whole nine. So this rose is pretty cool too. A lot of forged carbon on it, and then the carbon weave has red integrated into it too. It's pretty sweet. Here goes the Evo wagon. right, so that's gonna do it for my coverage on Tokyo Auto Salon for 2023. If you want to see more pictures, just check out my Instagram, and I hope you enjoyed. Deuces.